In this example, we have ourselves an equation here with g as our variable, but we're not just looking to solve the equation. We're going to go ahead and take that answer and use it to evaluate this expression, g squared minus 5. This is a pretty nice typical SAT or ACT type question. So if you'd like to go ahead and give it a try first, pause the video and do so, and then come on back and we'll work it together. Okay, so looking at this equation, we're trying to isolate this g variable, so we can say g equals and then have its value. Right now, it looks like we have this big fraction though on the left side with negative 2 in the denominator, or we could say that g minus 7 is being divided by negative 2. So let's go ahead and do the inverse operation of division, and let's multiply both sides by negative 2. Over here on the left side, those negative 2's will cancel, and so I'll have g minus 7, and that will equal 5 times negative 2, which is, well, negative 10. All right, so looking at, once again, to isolate this g, right now it's being subtracted by 7. So the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So let's go ahead and undo that subtraction by adding 7 to both sides. So we'll see that g equals, and negative 10 plus 7 will be negative 3. So I now have the value for g, which is negative 3. But remember, we're not done. We need to now use this variable value to evaluate this expression. So we have g squared minus 5. Okay, well, if g is negative 3, let's go ahead and plug that in with parentheses. So negative 3, that quantity, that number is going to be squared, and then from that I'll subtract 5. So negative 3 squared, remember, is negative 3 times negative 3. So that'll be a positive 9 minus 5, and that will give us 4. So this value 4 here is the final answer that I'm looking for. And once again, we went through the process, we solved this equation, then I took this value for g and I plugged it into this expression, and then I evaluated the expression and we got 4.